Good morning everyone, how are we all doing on this fine, I was gonna say fine Saturday morning, but firstly, it's like it hit June in the UK and suddenly they decided that like summer was over and the sun went away and the clouds are here and the wind starts to pick up and like, it's just not a vibe. And secondly, it's not Saturday probably when you're watching this, but if it is, happy Saturday. If it's not, it's a Saturday in your very near future because what am I saying? Okay, welcome back to another weekend vlog. I think I haven't done one of these in a little while and kind of the reason that I want to make these during lockdown is to document what I was doing during this time and I look back on it like the mess of the world. So what's new with me? I'm still working from home every day in my job, which is fine. Oh, this is fun, it's very exciting. I've been home a while now, so I decided to put up some decor. So I put up some ears. Oh, speaking of which, very exciting. Get up on the desk real quick. These lovely beauties are from Lottie's Laughing Plate. I'm actually a brand rep for them. I will put their links in the description down below, my little discount code. I love Lottie, I've worked with her for 2 years now. She was actually the first brand that ever reached out to me to do a collaboration. I was so excited, I was like trying to play it cool. But inside I was like, oh my god, someone wants to send me stuff and work with me. To clarify as well, I recently stopped working with one brand in particular, but I currently work with 3 brands: What the Stitch UK, Lottie's Laughing Place and Fingamabobs. Fingamabobs is owned by my best friend Fee. She made me this customized quote art, grow yourself into something new. It has beaded detailing. She does this all by hand, like every single print is one of a kind. I think they're all like currently £5 or £6 on her Etsy page. Personally, I think she could charge more because they are made by hand, but go check them out. Yeah, it's just gonna be me like talking about all my brands. I don't know. I have scrunchies as well. Should I just let's just have a tour of M's brand rep companies. So I actually have something coming from What the Stitch UK very soon because they've started doing ears as well. But I will quickly show you the scrunchies they sent me. Oh gosh, there's some hair in that one. So as we know, I love wearing scrunchies. We have, wow, great comments called M. We have a Toy Story one, which is Woody and Jessie and all things adorable. And then we have an Ariel one, which is kind of a Fingamabobs vibe. But let's note I'm doing Fingamabobs, not Fingamabobs. Very hard to do all these different names. There's them as well, and I have a discount code for them. Now that we've gotten over that, what are we actually doing in this vlog? This morning I'm going to meet my best friend Ruth. She lives about 10 minutes away from me. We've been able to meet up with one other person for a while, in England at least. It's expanded now, so we can meet with like groups of 6 people. And my local Costa has reopened to actually go in and buy a drink. Their drive-throughs opened a couple weeks ago, which was very exciting. We were there on the second day I think, because the first day the queue was like an hour long. But we're actually going to go to Costa and get a drink and go on a walk, and I'm so excited. Like, if there's one thing this lockdown has taught me, it's don't take things for granted, because I would just casually go get a drink all the time and now this is like the highlight of my weekend. And seeing Ruth obviously. So we're going to do that. I might do some baking later. I have some clothes coming. I scratched my shopping itch when I did the ASOS haul videos with my sister. So I suddenly decided that, you know, lockdown is starting to be easy a little bit. I want to look good when I come out of it. And I haven't done any workouts, no self-improvement in that way. So I should at least have some good clothes because the body has stayed the same. Yeah. Of course we have matching coats. I'm so excited. What's new? Oh yeah, sprinklers please. Thank you so much. Yeah. Got the good coconut hot chocolate. First time in 2 months. I said extra hot, they did extra hot. Did you get the same?
Yes, I did.
Coconut hot chocolate?
Not extra hot.
It was pretty scalding. Right, time for our walk. Bright and breezy. Cloudy. Rainy. Oh my gosh. So windy. I always get vibes of Bridge to Terabithia when it's really windy and I'm out here. When they're like, show us you can hear us. Oh, look like an egg. I'm back from my walk and I'm freezing. Probably should have worn gloves. But anyway, why am I doing this? We're gonna have some lunch, watch 13 Reasons Why with Alice. It's a new series, it came out yesterday and I'm not loving it to be honest. I didn't even like season 3. But you know when it, wait, is this season 3 or 4? I didn't like the last one because of the Addie character. I don't know why I'm watching it, but I feel like it's kind of like Pretty Little Liars when you're so into it. So you keep going, even though it's trash. Just me. Yeah. I feel like every time I vlog, I have beans on toast. And you know what? I don't have it that much. Even if I did, let's all just live our own lives. Here we go. What?
No, it's this girl doing TikTok. He basically sings like pop songs, but sing them like as if it's a musical theatre ballad.
Did a full 180. Crazy.
I feel like this is like when we did drama. I was gonna like, you already know what I'm gonna say. They would make us perform pop songs as monologues. So you'd be like,
the most awkward thing.
I'd be shaken off one time.
I did as well.
It was like, the player's gonna play. Haters gonna hate. Anything is awkward. Like,
I'm just gonna shake.
like,
Shake.
never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me. Like, it's so awkward.
And it was trying to like not sing it in the rhythm of the song. Like,
This is a bad time. You know what else is a bad time? 13 Reasons Why, but I'm gonna watch it anyway.
oh my god, guys, it's so funny.
Episode 4, senior camping trip.
Like, Clay is.
I'm concerned for Clay. There's 10 episodes left. I don't know, he's already on the brink. Reflective music plays. Jacob. Cacophony of distorted sound. I wonder who writes this. Before my job at Harrods, I didn't think about people actually writing copy descriptions for websites. Someone has to do these subtitles.
Yeah.
And describe the cacophony of distorted sounds.
Yeah.
Suspenseful music plays. Trying to film here? Oh god, Alice. She just wants the attention. Okay, so we're back in the kitchen. I, on my TikTok scrolls the other day, came across a recipe for like healthy cookies. It's literally oats, chocolate chips and bananas, and then you put it all together and apparently makes cookies. I'm dubious. It's got like 9,000 likes, but only 40 comments. No one seems to have actually made them and said they were good. But what do I have to lose? 2 bananas, 50 grams chocolate chips, and 120 grams of oats. So, you're a real dilemma. It's just like standing there. Everything else. God, it's really hard to be a YouTuber in this house when another YouTuber is trying to just intervene the whole time. One viral TikTok and she thinks she can just intervene on everything I do. 350,000 views. Yeah, we know. I should just give up. I am trapped. I don't know if you chose a specific time to come make your lunch. As I decided I want to film. So how are you? While we bake, or rather mash a banana, have a little chat. No, actually, what I wanted to talk about was a bunch of you are new here, subscribers. I hit 9,000 subscribers this morning, which was very exciting because honestly I never thought. Basically, every time I hit another 1,000, I'm like, this is definitely the last time I'm gonna have 1,000. But you guys keep showing up. But I've had a lot of people watching my most recent video, which is why I'm never doing another program, like another DCP. I don't know why I said that funny, DCP. So a lot of people are following me after that, but I don't know what you want now, because you subscribed to a video that says I'm never doing it again, but the video was about the DCP. So like, do you want DCP stuff, or like, are you here for the real life? I've been trying to do more like non-Disney stuff recently, like I did the ASOS video, been doing some more vlogs, but I don't know what all these new people want. You get me? That's my issue. Do me a quick favour, comment down below what kind of videos you want, and that'll be really helpful to me. So that was the update, but thank you for subscribing. I mean, 10,000 would be like an ultimate dream. I'm never gonna get like loads. I'm not someone who has mass appeal. If I got 10,000, I could quit my YouTube career happy. Really been dampened by the fact I was supposed to go on like 3 Disney trips this year, and now who knows. Although things are looking brighter, potentially. But there's a lot of oats. Chocolate chips. Honestly, not sure. Still need to mix it more, but I don't know. The other thing, while I'm here, I just wanted to talk about like how I'm doing. Whoa, why is it something on her? I'm gonna like do a lean here. How I'm doing with this whole lockdown situation. In the UK at least, or in England, because I know things are different in Scotland. The past few weeks, everything started to like get a bit easier. Like more cafes are opening for takeaway, shops are opening in a couple weeks. We're allowed to meet up with up to 6 people now. Like things are suddenly feeling like we're getting somewhere. But at the same time, I don't really know like the future, you know, like, and I'm still struggling with this feeling that I'm just wasting time. Like I know there's nothing that we can do. Like we literally just have to get through it. And if you come out the other side and everyone, your family there, then you're doing a good job. But I'm this internal struggle for me. I feel like I should always be productive and be doing something. And to see weeks go by when I don't feel like I accomplished anything, it just doesn't sit well with me. Also, I'm waiting for that moment where I'm like, oh, that's why lockdown happened. That's why coronavirus happened. Like if I hadn't been home for like 3 months and not living in London, then I never would have done this. And like, yeah, sure, I've had some fun times on Zoom chats. Does that sound really distracting? I've had some fun times on Zoom chats and done different challenges and whatever, but it's not what it's not as good as what I could have been doing. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts and how this is all going for you. I feel like it's great to just try and stay connected as much as we can. But yeah, that's where I'm at. How many cookies is this supposed to make?
3 ingredients, because we're making some banana, oat and chocolate chip cookies. Start to drop large spoonfuls of the mixture onto a lined baking sheet. Pop them in the oven to cook for 12 minutes and then your cookies are good to go. Hope you Enjoy.
Do you ever feel like as a human, you just fail at basic stuff? Because I feel that a lot. Okay, I'm literally just gonna drop these on. I will come back to you when we hopefully have something that's edible. Does that look like... It's very banana-y, isn't it? There we go. Thumbnail. Thumbnails are so awkward. I've just had a slug of brilliance. I'm gonna top each one with a little square of chocolate, and then hopefully they'll taste good. I feel like the more chocolate you add to these, the better it's gonna be. Okay, be well, my friends. Into the unknown. Cookies. Not gonna lie, I am a bit cautiously optimistic here. I think the addition of the chocolate square on top was inspired by me, but we will see in a few minutes. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna film a sit down video. So I've got my little cookie on my little plate. I thought this plate was quite a fun one. Found it at the back of the cupboard. Not been seen for a while. Is this a handmade one? No. Did you ever, when you were a kid, go to the places when you could like make your own crockery? Like you could paint it and they glazed it, and it was a very fun time. Very expensive though. So yeah, I've got my cookie. It looks pretty good. I waited all of 2 minutes to try it. Arguably not long enough, but we're gonna give it a go. Cheers. Okay, that is a bit of alright. If you like banana, it's a strong banana taste, but it generally is a very nice, like, cookie, soft cookie texture. And so easy as well. Yeah, a really fun time. Definitely recommend. Mine do not look like the TikTok, but I think they look better, if I'm honest. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm having fun. The parents are home. Dad's gonna try one of these cookies. How does it compare to a regular cookie?
Wonderful.
Wonderful?
Wonderful.
Dad likes bananas.
Compliments to the chef.
Oh, thanks.
So simple, but so nice.
Yep. Yes? Really? Oh. Brandy orders arrived. Should we have a little brandy melville try on haul? Why not? Alice, do you want to come and witness my try on? Sure. I feel like you need to be more in the video. It can't just be me. Oh, I forgot about one of the things I ordered. There's more than I thought I had.
Are you sure you want my opinion? I'm not sure I'm the best. You ready for item numero uno?
I didn't pick this stuff, so hopefully it'll be good.
Oh my god. No.
I don't know why I haven't obsessed with doing that at the moment.
I love that.
I love the colour.
I love the colour too.
I never wear green.
This is brilliant.
So nice.
Oh.
I really like it.
Same. Hi everyone.
How's everyone doing in lockdown? I've got all camera shy all of a sudden. It's a bit wrinkled, but don't hold that against me.
That's fine, I won't. That is so cute. It fits you so well.
I really like it.
Share
The fact
it.
it has a tie at the back.
So cute.
Oh yeah, I like it. I went to like do something with my hands and then it didn't go. You okay, Mum?
What is it you're talking to?
I'm talking to got the next one.
Emily's followers. Come on. Oh.
Aww. Do you like it?
Oh my god, I love it so much.
Cute.
Emily, I'm obsessed.
You like it?
That is so nice. Wait, Emily, I literally have like that dress in pink. Wow. I'm not joking.
Really?
That's
really good.
Is it from Brandy?
Yes. Cool. And the last thing I have is just a little thing, staying on brand.
Oh, scrunchy.
Oh, spoiler alert! We have a yellow scrunchie. Let's just put it.
You have so much hair.
I know. I need to get it cut.
Oh, I love it already.
Really taking the tag off.
Oh, that is so cute.
Successful haul. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I forgot about this one. I have to show the camera. This is so exciting.
When you announce you're pregnant.
If you haven't seen, I have the basic Disney shorts that every Disney Instagrammer, vlogger, everyone has. Zara,
very
Mickey Mouse.
cute.
Yeah. My brother and sister-in-law are expecting a baby that's due very soon. And I was just perusing the Zara website the other day. Stumbled upon something that just captured my heart. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, look at this, so small. Stop. I got them in like 9 months, so then next summer when I take out little baby, we don't know yet, she can wear those. And Auntie Emily can wear these. She's matching with her auntie. I can't. It's crazy to think that like even at 9 months she's only going to be this small. Should I like line them up? Imagine when it's my own kid. Wow. Sorry this vlog is a little bit chaotic, but the world's a bit chaotic right now, so I thought that's kind of great. I have my seatbelt on. I'm sorry, I just need to like reverse that. We are now off to Costa drive-through. I know I went to Costa this morning, but something about being in the car, playing your tunes, that just feels good. Sorry, Alice is focusing, I'm distracting. It feels right, it feels normal, and that's what we need. I'm gonna get copyright. Watched Ratatouille the other night and now I'm obsessed with Le Festine. I gotta find my that I should not be doing, but I do. Well, there's a really long queue. What do you do? Should we just get it from? Yes. Yeah. That queue, it's not a vibe. That's like 20 cars. No, we're just gonna go to the Costa nearby, but we had the drive. It was fun. Bye. And that's the goods. Oh my goodness! Treats for everybody from Emily. The woman definitely recognised me from this morning. I just got this look like, again. The coffee is here. Delivery for Miss Tracy. It's going to be this one marked with an FW.
Oh, thank you very much.
Delivery for Miss Alice.
Thank you so much.
All at the back.
Oh, nothing but...
The last delivery. Delivery for Mr. Robertson. Costa.
There we go. You may stay.
Thanks. Happy to be here. You're welcome. It is much later now. When did I last vlog? Like 4? Had dinner, and now me and Alice are about to watch an iconic film. Princess Diaries 2. Julie Andrews just being an absolute queen in every way, in a literal way. Anne Hathaway just owning it. Chris Pine. Breakaway sequence. It's just a perfect film. So what better way to end a Saturday, which has been pretty chaotic, I apologise for how crazy this vlog has been, than with Princess Diaries 2. So I'm gonna go get some ice cream, me and Alice are gonna go watch it. But honestly, it's been a solid Saturday, and I think what lockdown has really showed me is I don't have to do loads of stuff for it to be a nice weekend. I used to be like, oh my god, if I don't have plans to see someone and do something, then it's just gonna be a fail. But like, you can just literally go get a Costa, go on a walk with a friend, watch TV, chill, and it can be a really nice time. Maybe that's what I'm going to take away from lockdown, what I was saying earlier, like just the power of simplicity. Maybe I'm going to be a simple person after this. I mean, I'm probably going to go shopping as soon as I can, even though I just bought that stuff. But yeah. Most iconic line from Princess Diaries 2, have you got in mind?
No.
Think of an iconic line.
Okay.
Should be comic.
Oh, okay, okay.
1, 2, 3. A
Shut.
queen is never late.
Oh.
What was yours?
Shut up! You know, we did in the court, and you like, what? Shut up, just not the words mean, shut up.
More iconic than a queen is never late. Everybody else is simply early. I want to end the vlog now because I don't want to be like, you know, focusing on this while we're enjoying Queen Clarice. Emilia Mignonette von Mabalas Rinaldi, Princess of Genovia. Side note, I definitely learnt the Genovia national anthem before the UK one.
100%.
Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, can you just mute it for a sec? I thought it was a bit distracting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. As I said, comment down below what kind of videos you want to see, and also how you're coping with this lockdown, and if you feel like there's something you've gotten out of it, because I would like to know. Subscribe for more fun and chaotic adventures, and see you next time. I actually can't with how perfect she is. Pure joy on Emily's face as she watches Queen Julie. Mary Poppins, Maria von Trapp, Queen Clarice. Name a more iconic trio. Oh wait.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP.